to Your Health, where we explore the latest in health across the country. I'm your host, Erica Cardenas. After the last several months that we've all been through, we thought this was a great time to talk about personal wellness. But before I give you tips on pampering yourself, let's take a look at what's coming up on the show. Learn about the benefits of getting a massage in stressful times. A dentist's office your kids will actually enjoy visiting. And a recipe using pumpkin the entire family will enjoy. All that and more in this episode of Your Health. In these stressful and uncertain times, taking care of ourselves is so very important, and getting a massage is one way to do just that. Joining me now is Todd Leff, CEO of Hand and Stone Massage and Facial Spa. Todd, thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks, Erica. Glad to be here.
First off, tell us a little about Hand and Stone Massage and Facial Spa.
Hand and Stone is a nationwide chain of massage and facial spas. We have 475 locations across 35 states and actually 2 provinces in Canada. And the whole concept is we bring spa services to the middle market by making services more affordable and more convenient, but really still delivering the highest quality professional spa service.
Now, Todd, are all of your stores open for business right now?
So we're really thrilled that since May, we've actually been opening all of our stores across the country. We have a handful in California that are still not open, but of the 475, I think we're up to 470 that are opened as of today.
That's great. Now, a common question that you might be receiving right now is, how safe is it to go into your spas?
Right. Well, I mean, this has really been a primary focus for us the last several months. And we worked with a team of medical experts, infectious disease experts. We've also been working with various state health organizations to develop protocols to make sure that we reduce the risk involved with this service. And, you know, we know that COVID-19 is generally transmitted through respiratory means. And so with mask wearing by both the customer and all of our service providers, you know, we greatly reduce the chance of transmission. We've actually performed over 1.3 million services since reopening, and we have not had one reported case of transmission of COVID-19 in a Hand and Stone location.
Wow. Okay, so this is a very stressful time for many people. What are the health benefits of getting a massage?
Well, we know all about the stress right now. If you're homeschooling your children, political climate, so we are in the highest stress environment we've been. But, you know, massage absolutely, first and foremost, helps reduce stress. It reduces that stress hormone levels. It proven to reduce blood pressure levels. And from our perspective, about 22% of our customers report that they come to us for pain relief. And so we know that massage is a great therapeutic relief for back pain. It reduces the dependence on opioids or other drugs. And it just generally promotes a sense of wellness for our customers. So there's tremendous health benefits from regular massage.
Now, Todd, you offer a variety of massages. What are some of those different massages that you offer?
Well, our most popular is the traditional Swedish massage, you know, focused on relaxation. But we have a number of other targeted and customized massage services. Very popular are hot stone or our salt stone massage, where we actually use the stones in the modality. And then we have specially trained massages, our deep tissue, our oncology massage, and also prenatal massage. A number of different customized services to try to meet that client's specific need.
Todd, holiday season is fast approaching, so tell us about your pre-sale event for your Black Friday sale.
Well, our Black Friday weekend sale is our biggest value of the year. It's kind of our legendary sale. It's a once-a-year weekend sale. For our guests, you buy a service gift card and you actually get one free service gift card. So it's buy one, get one. This year, we're also, recognizing how people want to shop. We're offering 4 different methods of delivery. So you can do the traditional in-spa pickup. We'll have curbside pickup for those who don't want to get out of their car. We have an e-delivery option for that gift card, or you can order and we will actually ship a beautiful gift bag with the card to anywhere across the country to whomever you want to receive that. So we want to give you the best value and make it the easiest to deliver this year for all our customers.
Yeah, so many great options for holiday gifts for sure. Todd, thank you so much for joining us. I cannot wait to book my massage. If you'd like to book a massage, just head over to their website to find a location in your area. Good dental hygiene is important for your overall well-being, and one dentist in California is creating a fun and safe environment for kids.
We brush our teeth, we floss our teeth, and love to go to the super dentist.
The reason that people typically don't like their dentist is because they're associated with something painful, right? It's a needle or a drill or something. So the super dentist is the only dental practice on the planet where kids literally beg to go to the dentist. We have orthodontics, we see adults, but really the core practice that we have is to serve kids. We want to make sure that the kids have fun, so we create magical experiences through the way our offices are themed and designed. Our superheroes, villains, we have our own movies, we have our own custom music, our own products. So when they come to the office, they feel really comfortable.
So let the super dentist take care of it.
Some of the things parents can do at home to make sure that kids can maintain their oral health between visits is to build positive association to their oral care at home as well. That starts with how they brush their teeth. Those daily routines are so critical to maintain at home, especially during this pandemic. Because like everything else, kids being home, not going to school, their daily routines have been upended, right? And so we encourage parents to make sure that these important routines are kept and make sure the kids still value their oral hygiene and their brushing and flossing. Dentists and dental offices in general, we're experts when it comes to infection control. Even before COVID, we've had to deal with other viruses and other bacteria. And because of COVID, many dental offices across the country, we've added so much more technology and systems and processes to make sure this virus is also safe. So we feel really good about inviting everybody back to our offices now. Our new safety protocols really start with when you call our office. We make sure that we do a thorough screening on the phone to make sure that we only allow healthy people inside the office. We've virtualized our lobbies and waiting rooms. So now that's in the car or outside the office. So you can check in virtually now through our website. You can do all the paperwork digitally on your phone or tablet. And then we have a really, really cool virtual super lounge that's on our website that kids can be entertained through our movies and music and fun stuff. And parents can be educated about everything COVID and non-COVID with a lot of recent articles and interviews that we've done across the country.
We clean our teeth on top, in, back, and front.
American Dental Association did a survey, and the majority of people, 75 to 80% of people, feel very comfortable going back to their dentist right now. But there's still 15% of people or so that they're uncomfortable. Your dental care and oral care is super important during a health pandemic because it's about overall health. With those patients that are a little bit concerned about going back to a dentist, my message is dental offices are super safe, and this is something that you cannot wait until there's a vaccine. I really encourage everybody to go back to their dentist and take care of their oral health.
A great wellness tip, go for a walk or a hike. Getting out in the sun helps stimulate production of the feel-good hormone serotonin, which helps relieve sadness. Stick around, we have more coming up on the show. We head to Carrot Eye Center to see the latest in vision restoration, and we introduce you to a place with a revolutionary way to treat ED. Camelback Medical Clinic, they have a revolutionary treatment for ED that is needle-free, surgery-free, and drug-free. Let's take a look.
Erectile dysfunction is so connected to a man's sense of self-worth and ego that we're a little bit embarrassed when we have erectile dysfunction. But generally, if we do nothing, the problem gets worse. Now, ED doesn't fix itself on its own. You've got to take action And that is what is so beautiful about these treatments is it gets back the spontaneity, and you don't have to have the embarrassment of taking the pill any longer. Well, this new treatment is called acoustic wave therapy. It's clinically shown to open up and regrow blood vessels. Now, we know erectile dysfunction is a blood flow problem, so we're finally treating the root cause of that problem. Think of this: no pills, no injections, no surgery. We're going to get rid of the ED and get you back to normal function in the bedroom. With traditional treatments, there absolutely are side effects. Just the lack of spontaneity is a big deal for so many guys. And slipping away saying, honey, I got to go take the pill real quick. The headaches, the blurred vision, and that hangover feeling, almost like a fever, is very common. And then if we start talking about the injections, we all know that that comes with significant downsides. Cambridge has studied this technology and shown that it is safe and effective with a high success rate. The American Urological Association, same thing. They even called it revolutionary. We know the science is sound. We know we can regrow blood vessels. This is proven to work. We've treated men of all ages. We had a 77-year-old individual in the clinic the other day. He completed treatments after 10 years of taking the pill, was no longer taking the pill at all. And we see this every day and every week. And by the way, his wife was very happy as well. We got to remember, erectile dysfunction affects two people, and oftentimes they're very happy with the results. Another example, we had a patient who had had his prostate removed, and he was a diabetic, older gentleman, so had some health conditions. He was nervous the treatments would not work. Well, he was seeing improved blood flow just 2 treatments into the program. That's about a week. He's now able to have eliminated the needles completely. This was a game changer for his relationship. Call us now. We have a special Your View offer today. The initial assessment, the exam, even the blood flow ultrasound with our doctor, totally free. Plus, we're going to throw in a little special gift that couples really love. It produces instant results in the bedroom. This is all free, about $500 to those that call us right now. That's Camelback Medical Clinic. You can call us at 480-535-1000. That's 480-535-1000, or visit us at camelbackmedical.com.
Living an active lifestyle can sometimes be hard while wearing glasses. The doctors at Carrot Eye Center show us a procedure to free you of your spectacles.
Hi, my name is Matthew Hammond. I'm a surgeon and owner here at Carrot Eye Center. Today is a great day because we get to do surgery on not only my best friend and partner, but my other surgeon here at Carrot Eye Center, Dr. Michael Harrian. So we're going to fix his vision.
Hi, I'm Mike Harrian. I'm an owner and a surgeon here at Carrot Eye Center. It's another exciting surgical day here, although it's a little bit unique today because I'm the patient. And looking forward to going through the process here and want to share that with you.
With this procedure that we're doing today on Dr. Harrian, this procedure is actually awesome for a number of different people. So for example, it's great for that, late 40s, mid 50 range people, maybe even up to your mid 60s. As we gain wisdom, the lens inside of our eye gets a little thicker with time, and it doesn't have the capacity to zoom in and zoom out anymore, to sort of thicken and thin. So we call it presbyopia. And you lose the ability to see up close. It's like clockwork that we can almost tell how old you are based on how much you still have or how much you've lost.
Yesterday, I wasn't nervous at all. When I got up this morning, I was a little bit nervous. And I think if I go to the root of it, it's just an unknown. But that is completely normal. Even for me who understands the procedure probably a lot better than somebody going through it, I still have anxiety. Just because it's surgery, it's your eyes. But what comforts me is who's doing my surgery and where I'm getting my surgery done.
So I think it's time to get Dr. Harrian's vision fixed. I can't wait. Let's get going. Things centered up beautifully. Gonna feel a little pressure here for a half second. Your vision's gonna go dark for just a minute. Completely normal. Doing beautiful.
18 seconds.
Here we go. Just relax, it's going great. And And that's it. You're all done, brother.
I can't thank you guys enough. That was just really, really smooth from beginning to end. So it's been a little bit under 24 hours. I've had LASIK surgery to both eyes. Coming back today, my post-op vision check was 20/15 in the right eye, 20/25 in the left eye, which is exactly what we expected for the blended vision. I really am having no discomfort whatsoever. At Carrot Eye Center, we have a lot of tools at our disposal, and depending on what the patient's needs are, what they want to accomplish for their activities of daily life, we want to be able to custom tailor a refractive procedure. In my case, it was a blended vision so that I don't need to use glasses to see distance or near. I'm post-op day 1, not even 24 hours, and I'm thrilled.
One thing that often gets overlooked when it comes to wellness is doing something you like every day. It can be reading, crafting, or watching TV. Daily activities that you enjoy are an essential element to healthy living. Here's what we have coming up on the show. A center that has a unique approach to help people struggling with addiction, and a delicious and easy pumpkin smoothie recipe. Kicking a heroin addiction is extremely difficult, but one father was able to do just that. He shares his road to sobriety and why he's grateful he found Decision Point Center.
I went to school for a little while at ASU, and then I started working full-time doing construction, got a place on my own, and me and my son and my son's mom moved in together. I started drinking a little bit more and started drinking more frequently by myself. I was dealing with stress, anxiety, and I started turning to, drugs, pills, whatever the case may be, kind of just searching for an escape. Me and my son's mom ended up splitting up when my son was about 3. I can't tell you how many times I said to myself, all right, this is my last night. This is the last time I'm gonna drink or whatever. I had ended up losing my apartment. I was basically living out of my car or hopping couches. And I was on the verge of, losing my son. At that point, I'm like, I need some help. I need to go to treatment. I did my research online, started looking at different places throughout the valley, and then Decision Point came up. They kind of welcomed me in with open arms and were very encouraging. Some of the other treatment centers, they kind of put everybody into one big bowl and treat a lot of the clients the same. Whereas here, they have specific treatment plans for each individual. We have a really close community, a really great group of people here. We spend every day together. My first month here, I got to go on a canyoneering trip. And for me, that's a very therapeutic aspect because being out in nature is something I really hold dear to myself. Not only was it a great view, but it was a great challenge as well. It kind of correlates to what sobriety is gonna be like. You pushing through and not giving in when the times get tough is where growth's made. I've been here for 90 days now, and today I am graduating. They make sure you have a clear-cut plan for when you leave here, so that way you're best set up for success. Decision Point saved my life. They didn't just teach me how to get sober, they taught me how to stay sober. And they taught me how to love myself again, because I didn't think that was possible before. Today I have confidence in myself, I believe in myself. I really am optimistic of what the future holds for me. I've kept in contact with my son since I've been here. I can be a present and sober dad for him and give him the father that he deserves. I know how it feels to feel hopeless and in despair, but there's absolutely a way out, and you just have to give the opportunity to go into treatment. I believe that when you surrender, when you stop fighting things, that's when you're able to make the growth. But I know it's a tough decision to make, but it's the best decision I've ever made. I'm Blake, I'm 26 years old, and I was a heroin addict.
Don't go anywhere, we have more to come on your health. I'll show you how to make a smoothie with the perfect ingredient for fall. Happy fall! I am so excited to show you how to make a delicious, quick, and easy fall-inspired smoothie. When it comes to the fall season, it is absolutely my favorite season, my favorite time of the year. So I thought it was very appropriate to show you how to make a pumpkin pie smoothie. Again, quick, easy, delicious, nutritious. Let's get into it. Our ingredients list consists of 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 cup canned pumpkin. You're also going to take almond milk, about 1 cup or so of that, 5 to 6 ice cubes, a banana. You can use either a frozen banana or not frozen. Either works just fine. Sweetener. Let's get into sweetener. So honey, so good for you. You're going to take about 2 tablespoons, more or less to taste. You can actually also use another form of sweetener like agave or maple syrup. And pumpkin spice. It is not pumpkin season or fall season without pumpkin spice. You're going to take 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice and ground nutmeg for garnish at the top. This time of year, a pumpkin pie smoothie is a great way to trick your brain into believing you're having something much more indulgent for breakfast than you actually are. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this delicious, quick, and easy pumpkin pie smoothie, and wishing you all a very happy, healthy, and safe fall season. Cheers! Thanks so much for joining us on Your Health. Stay well. I'm Erica Cardenas, and I'll see you next time.